Hey there, and welcome back to my channel, Weirdly OCD. Before we get into today's video, I want to thank everybody for the overwhelmingly positive comments and feedback and likes that I got from the video that Tony and I did just a couple of days ago where we answered questions that you had submitted. I appreciate it so much, and thank you very much for watching and commenting. And I'm glad that you enjoyed it, and we will definitely do a video again in the future. So on to today's video. I wanted to clean out our refrigerator. It's been a little while since I've done it, and there are a couple things I'm going to show you in the fridge that I am not too happy about. Slightly embarrassed to show you, but I want to keep things real, so that's what we're going to do. We just went grocery shopping yesterday, and I honestly should have done this before we went grocery shopping, but I didn't. So, we're going to clean out my fridge, kind of reorganize it a little bit, and we'll see how it comes out. So this is the part I do not want to show you, but like I said, I'm going to keep things honest. So, as you can see, it's been a little bit since I've cleaned this out. And we just went to the store the other day. I know I just said yesterday, but it was a couple days ago. And I need to clean it out a little bit here. Yeah, it's not fantastic. And I'll show you the refrigerator part, which this isn't horrible. The shelves need wiped down a little bit. These crisper vegetables down here definitely need wiped out. I've got some loose salad stuff down here, and that down there. First thing I need to do is empty out this refrigerator so we can clean it. Also, when you clean out your refrigerator, it's a really good time to check expiration dates on your food, especially if it's been in there for a little while. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I totally forgot this was in the refrigerator. I do not... Oh, yeah. In fact, I think the whole thing is gonna go in the trash can. Alright, now that I have the refrigerator portion completely cleaned out, and I've got my two piles, this stuff is still good. This stuff is either very soon to expire, like in the next couple of days, or slightly has expired. It's going in the trash, along with that disgusting mess that I showed you a little bit ago. So what I'm going to use to clean the refrigerator is the Lysol Power Bathroom Cleaner. I mean, it doesn't necessarily need to be used just strictly for bathrooms, but it does have some bleach in it. So I definitely want to use that since food is in here, get the shelves wiped down. And like anything, when I'm cleaning, I'm going to go from the top to the bottom and get this cleaned up. And then we're going to organize it. got the main part of the fridge here all wiped down. It all is white and pristine and clean and shiny. I love it. So now we're going to move on to the door. Well, my camera battery died, but I did manage to finish the fridge portion. This is going to be a two-parter. We're going to do the freezer in another video. But I'm going to show you the finished product, so here we go. Everything has been wiped down, everything has been organized. All the expired items or soon to be expired items have been tossed. One tip I will give you if you are cleaning out your refrigerator and you have drawers like this, something that I did is if you find little corners that you seem to be hard to get into, you can spray a Q-tip with the cleaner that you want to use, or dip the Q-tip into the cleaner and kind of push it, into that corner, and that'll help you get into any little corners or crevices. Also, like underneath here, there's a couple spots that were a little hard to get to, and I use Q-tips on those as well. But there's the finished product. It looks so much better. I don't feel guilty anymore if someone opened our fridge. Now that the fridge has been organized and cleaned out and purged, part 2 of this video, it was going to be all together, but unfortunately I am running out of time before I have to go to work, so I'm going to have to make this a two-parter, and that's going to be the lovely freezer. But with that, that is today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and come back on Sunday for part 2, where I clean out and organize the freezer. And then next Wednesday, a week from today, will be my next episode of Exploring YouTube, and I'm sure you will enjoy the person that I'm going to highlight. But with that, that's today's video, and I will see you all on Sunday with part 2. Have a great day. Bye-bye.